Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by holding the stem of the AirPod with one hand and stabilizing the ear tip with the other. Press your thumb against the silicone base close to the housing, then pull straight away. This reduces stress on the mesh and connector. Do this slowly to feel when the tip releases. If you twist or yank, small plastic anchors can bend. Once the tip is off, inspect the nozzle and mesh for debris so the new tip seats cleanly and maintains seal and sound quality. Now take the replacement tip and align its oval internal ring with the AirPod nozzle. Orientation matters because of the venting and fit. Push the tip straight onto the nozzle until you feel a subtle click or firm stop. This click is the connection engaging. Make sure the silicone sits flush without gaps. Once attached, rotate the tip gently to confirm it's locked and won't slip. This ensures the acoustic seal for bass response and the inline pressure relief functions correctly. Finish by placing the AirPod in your ear and playing a familiar track at low volume to check seal and comfort. You should notice improved bass and reduced outside noise. If sound is muffled or distorted, remove the tip and inspect the speaker mesh for lint. Clean gently and reseat the tip. If the tip feels loose or you see tears, swap it for a new one. Using genuine or high-quality compatible tips prevents poor fit and potential nozzle damage. One reliable tip: always test fit before leaving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.